Happy New Year 2026.
Hindi pa pala siya magkukum. Makapagaya. Makapagaya eh.
Sorry, sa lang ako ba?
Siren!
Yan na, abdomen exercise. Ayan yan.
Bigat na ba? Kala ko bakak. Kala ko bakak.
Ano to? Yung 64 na. Lala. Nanay mati. Pwede na. Pwede na ba to?
Dating sa amin yun.
Pwede na.
Malamig ang panahon. Ang lalamunan ay mamalat. Oh my God. Today is January 5, 2026. At 8 p.m. Oh, alis na kayo?
Di pa tayo.
Hindi pa. Diyan lang kayo. Standby.
Wala may tayo.
Oh, upo muna kayo dyan. Pahinga. Russian twist. Ayan na. For the abdomen. Oh, nagsiuwian na sila. Wala na akong mag-video. Kasi namamalat. Malamig ang panahon sa January 2026. Kahit namamalat ay video pa rin. Nagsiuwi na sila. Nandun na sila sa labas.
Bay, kung sa punta ba eh? Ha? Akin na si JB ka kung
Happy New Year!
Okay, itatapon mo na sila sa dress. Ako dapat magkamatay. Ang ginagawa nyo, dapat. Tapos naman
Tay, pipirma pa ba ako?
Oo, siyempre. Siyempre.
Baka pumirma eh.
Monthly, di ba? Monthly. This one.
Jorel ako eh.
Joril ka ba? Ano yun? Weekly?
Weekly.
Okay. Okay.
Tapos na kayo tinapay pa. Bakit?
Physical training and persistence have been the cornerstone of short transformation from skinny to muscular body. Good start on the new year 2026 to have a healthy and strong body. Patuloy muna kasi marami silang kinain. Iwas bangungot. Exercise regulates and maintains an ideal weight. Exercise reduces fat. So abdominal exercise. Also abdominal exercise over there.
Yes.
Kala ko magkukunta na eh. Kapag iyak ko nila maganda.
Tambay na ako dyan. Tambay ako dyan.
Strong and healthy body is the product of regular exercise and pure dedication. Fit exercise into your schedule always to achieve your goals. Let exercise be a part of your life because exercise is well.
Tapos isipin mo, paano kapag hindi ka
If health is well, then exercise is well. It is a preventive medicine. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, meaning it is easier to prevent a disease than to cure, because if you are going to cure, you have to spend a lot of money, time, and efforts. Just exercise regularly, at least 4 times a week. Because exercise promotes longevity, promotes good memory and mental clarity.
Napag-usapan namin ni easy ba ng swimming lang. Pero hindi yun yung sinabi.
Exercise is good for your heart and lungs.
Tapos hindi niya na ay, ako nga, gusto ko ito bibira ko na lang kagabi.
Just to give you a scenario, this New Year 2026, January 5.
Kita sa video ni tatay na babackstab tayo dito. Balik ba dyan?
Say something, Ana.
Bakit yan sa dulang?
Say something.
Ha?
Say something. I'm sorry for my voice.
Say something daw. Wala na.
Say something.
Ano,
Any
New
info?
Year, new me. New Year resolution.
Oh, what is your
Maging body team.
Huh? No, 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 no.
maging body team.
Maging body team.
And
Maging body building.
strong,
Strong.
shapely, and beautiful.
Yes. Maganda na siya tayo. Hindi ka talo yung sa
Binubola ako.
Binubula ka. Siyempre, kasama sa laro yun eh. You have to exercise regularly. Okay?
Sabi na tropa ko. Saan ka na? Ano?
So, okay, firm, shapely,
Oh, gago po yun.
and strong body.
Ay! Hindi ba? Alright.
Hindi nga.
Uwi na!
Uwi na, sige.
Kapag mga
Okay.
ganitong oras kasi.
I have to bid goodbye now to everyone.
Tama na ba? Timpok ko 46. Hindi ko alam baka
Uwi na. Hindi ako makapagsalita ng klaro because I am so due to cool weather in the Philippines today. Okay, thank you very much, everyone. See you later. Bye bye.